Hey, it's Chelsea from AHA. Today I'm focused on aligning with stakeholders, so I'm going to bring my roadmap into a whiteboard. It's really the perfect place to collaborate live and explore changes within my roadmap without making actual changes to my roadmap. I'll show you what I mean. So here we are in a strategic roadmap in AHA software. I just finished mapping out all of my Q2 plans for a fictitious fitness app called Fred Wins Cycling. I'm ready to share my plans with the team and get some feedback. So to do that, I'm going to export this roadmap to a whiteboard. Just takes a minute, and it's a really great way to get that live feedback and just start exploring options and plans without actually affecting the original records. So here's my whiteboard, the timeline translated over, all of my records are intact. Now we can start collaborating. Like for example, let's say I want to switch these two features around and just see how that timing might affect the roadmap itself. We can talk through trade-offs with this. We can actually switch any of these features around. It doesn't affect the actual roadmap. And once we settle on the course of action we want to pursue, I can click open the actual records of those features and adjust those dates. And guess what? Once I do that, that automatically syncs with my original roadmap. Retroactively, I don't need to do a thing. Changes are made live. It is amazing. So the next time that you have a roadmap review underway, I really suggest popping it into a whiteboard. It gives you that freedom to explore alternatives before you commit.